In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk export original image files from any Figma layer fills. By the end, you will be able to quickly collect the original images used in your design and download them all at once, neatly packaged in a single zip file. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the layers you want to work with. With the file open, bring up the Plugins panel by pressing Ctrl-K. In the search field, switch to the Plugins section, then type Export Original Images. When you see the plugin appear, open it and run it so it's ready to export. Next, make your selections in the canvas. You can select individual image layers, or select a parent frame that contains layers with image fills. Selecting a frame is a good way to include multiple nested layers at once, while selecting single layers gives you precise control. The key is that the layers you pick should have image fills, since that's what the plugin is designed to export. Once your selection is set, open the plugin. You will see options to choose the file format. From the drop-down, select PNG or JPEG, based on what you need. PNG is useful for preserving transparency and crisp edges, while JPEG is typically smaller and works well for photos or gradients. Below that, choose the scope of the export. All selected layers and children includes the layers you clicked, plus any image-filled layers nested inside them. Only selected layers limits the export to exactly what you highlighted. Without diving into children, if you want everything inside a frame that contains images, pick the option that includes children. If you only want the specific layers you clicked, choose the more targeted option. When your format and scope look right, click Export. Give it a few seconds to process. You will see a zip file begin downloading, showing progress as it gathers the original image files from your selection. When the download finishes, you will have a single archive containing all the exported images, ready to share, back up, or bring into another tool. If you don't see expected results, double-check that your selected layers actually use image fills, not just vector shapes or solid colors. And remember, your choice between PNG and JPEG will affect file size and transparency. That's it. Thanks for watching.